Web3 TV.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to day 2 of the Function1 conference in Dubai. I'm Adel, the host. Today we have Ankit from Nasdaq. Ankit, how are you doing today?
I'm doing well. I think this is awesome. Day one was very energetic. Day two has been just so crazy. The energy here with the hackathon results today.
Yes.
It's been just so awesome.
Amazing. So you had a speech yesterday as well. Tell us, before we get into that, tell us a bit about who you are, what you're doing, what brings you here today.
That's great. So I'm Ankit Lathigara. I'm an AVP at Nasdaq. I manage specifically the client services, the Nasdaq services strategy.
Yes.
I do manage the European, Middle East, and African clients for Nasdaq fintech business.
Yep.
I've been based in Dubai for a while, about 15 years now.
Yep.
So I've seen how the economy has grown up from there. A lot of technology advancement happened in Dubai.
Yes.
But at part of my job as well, I do travel a lot around the world. And I keep seeing and meeting a lot of people and understanding the business, how it goes.
Okay. So to give us a bit of context, you're AVP at Nasdaq, Assistant Vice President. Tell us what's your role like there?
It's so from Nasdaq perspective, I think a lot of people understand that Nasdaq has been a market operators, and that's an impression they have. But over the last 10 years, our clients believe in trust on us to be a market platform.
Yes.
So we not only operate market platforms around 70 plus countries around the world, but at the same time we offer fintech softwares for credit institutions, for the brokerage firm, the sovereign firms, the central banks. So Nasdaq have a portfolio of not only the capital market and the IPO listing and the data services, but it also has the entire fintech arm, which covers a lot of good platform technologies, which all over the clients in the world that trust on us, and they believe that we can help them to run an efficient market.
Okay. So in a conference like this, which is AI driven, where does Nasdaq find the interest to be present here?
It's a very good question. So AI has been a part of every corporate journey and every individual life. So I think that AI is not going to leave any any ground untouched. So from a Nasdaq perspective, we are also invested in AI heavily. We do consider AI in two perspectives: AI in our products, which helps directly clients and their experience and the business, but also in AI in our services and operations on how we make our operations efficient, how we make our services, our deployments very clear. So specifically, when I'm looking for a client services strategy, we do continues to see how the enterprise-grade SaaS application can we have a quicker onboarding for our clients, how they can have a better adoption of our software, and at the same time, how AI can innovate our internal operational dependencies or some of the low-hanging benefits which AI can easily give out on day one.
Is Nasdaq's primary business model is it mainly featured on selling SaaS products, selling SaaS software to B2B clients?
Yes. So I would say yes. Nasdaq has three divisions, let's say, and each division I'll elaborate a bit. The first division is more about the capital access platform, so which allows the IPO from pre-listing to IPOs, running our market services, our data services.
Yes.
So that's one arm, which is a traditional arm, which Nasdaq is known about for many, many years with all the technology listing companies on our website, on our exchange. The second arm is about the fintech, where we have not only the platforms, so whether it's a market platform where exchanges are operated around the other countries, whether you take UAE, Abu Dhabi, or the Dubai exchange, they're running on Nasdaq exchange software. But at the same time, the capital market platforms like treasury, front to back applications, compliance platform like regulatory reporting and compliance and risk calculations. In fact, even fraud detections and anti-money laundering platforms like Verafin. So those are the suites of products which we have. We also have our own products, which is market intelligence on the data, market services, which allows not only expand the markets and the capital funding in US, but it's also outside. So we operate the Nordic exchange in Europe. So that is also helping a lot of European clients to go on our exchange and raise the capital, be the front leader of the economy and drive that growth in the economy. And so basically we and the last one is basically basically we're talking about the AML part, which is more about how to make the world better place in terms of financial frauds or whether it's in human trafficking. All of those things are considered during our applications.
Okay, wonderful. So now going into 2026, which is just around the corner, could you give us like a Web3 TV exclusive on what Nasdaq, some exciting stuff that Nasdaq may be rolling out, features-wise, anything that you can share that could be exciting for us?
I think we did some good launch early this year and last year. So first one was MLO, so which is the AI-enabled order type, and which allows to see 140 plus parameters.
What's it called?
MLEO.
MLEO.
It's an order type which you can see all. It's an AI-enabled order type. What it allows to review 140 plus parameters to see where the efficient time to fill those orders. So that was launched probably last year, if I don't remember the exact quarters. Early this year, we also enabled tokenization for finance. So we also allowed to trade tokenized finance on our exchange. So we keep innovating our space because our client trusts us to be a forefronter of innovation, and we keep adding that AI features on our clients. All our platform technologies also have a lot of AI capabilities coming in. So especially talking in the reg reporting or compliance space, we have XMSL as a platform technology. And we add the AI, which not only looks into the regulation per se for a given country. So we do support more than 95 jurisdictions regulation, and all those countries' regulation, but also the data which individual credit institutes have using an AI models. It allows, and again, those are limited to the client premises. Those are proprietary, built on and expanded on. They not only give you that predictions of your data quality, but it also gives you around the time to manage the compliance in a more quicker way. It also gives you more of reasoning and predictability of your data. So it can also give some sort of balance sheet forecast. It also can give you the data errors, which is looking into the fast patterns. It also can give you some more of a training ground for the new staffs, and that those sort of adoptions of AI within our products is really helping a lot of our clients is loving about it.
Okay, well, that's great news. Thanks for that Web3 TV exclusive. I look forward to it, and all the best with yourself and Nasdaq.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thanks so much for the interview. All right, that's a wrap. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you found this insightful. We'll leave all the links in the description so you can check out Ankit's profile as well as the Nasdaq. Thank you again. I'm Adel, the host, and I will see you next time. Cheers.